Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs. Here on YouTube, coming at you from Massachusetts. And today I'm here with a belated birthday gift from Miss Margaret L. And I've already pre-opened the box because I'm not into showing addresses. So I will start with the box now. First, we got this. She went to Washington and got some, what they call it, postcards and stuff like that. So that came with it. I also got this, which is going to be going to my granddaughter. This also. Then she's got me this, which is mine. It's a More Jesus Devotional Journal. What your heart needs for hard days, by Donna K. Maltese. Got that. We also got a package of the old, back in the day, clothespins. We have this cute little notepad. Some more postcards. Amish Country. This is Strasburg, Pennsylvania Railroad. Another Amish Country. Amish Softball. Then we have Prayer Journal. I can put all my stuff in there when I read the Bible. Then we have some of these greeting cards, Harry Potter. There's 2 of these. Okay. And I got a peacock one. This, which will be going to my granddaughter. I got 2 cool t-shirts. Look at that, how pretty. There's 2 of these, one in black, one and this one in red. And then we have, let me see if I can move some of this out of the way without having an avalanche. Okay, then we have this National Geographic magazine, which has some awesome, look at that, how pretty. 87 Great Grand Pacific Spring. I don't know. The pages seem to be glued on some of them, but that's alright. We'll manage. Then we have this one, Positive Thinking. I can use words and pictures out of this one. We have the Atlas. Ooh, I love this one. Great pictures in here. Look at that. What is this? Steel frame construction, New York's Flatiron building. Wow. That's a big building. Here's another map of the Great Lakes. Ooh. Here's another one. Here's the, a lot of great pictures in here. Well, 100 Greatest Mysteries. This is another great book. Another National Geographic. I can't open it the way I want it because the clothespins are right here, but that's okay. Oh, this is the same one. We looked at this one already. There's two of this one. Where's the other one? Right there. Yep, right here. We got two of that one. Ooh, National Geographic History. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Nice. Nice pictures. Rise and Fall of Aztec. There's some beautiful pictures in here. Maybe. Atlas the Bible, exploring the Holy Lands. Look at that, how pretty. More maps. Look at that. Oh. A lot of these maps is going to go in my book, my junk journal that I'm making for Friends Across the Miles. Watch out for that. Here's a tassel. Here's some more lip smackers. That's going to go to my granddaughter. There's a few things I'm not going to show. So here is some gel pens that she purchased. I love that. Look at that. Every color you need. I will do a review on these, and they are Draw, Imagine, Inspire, and Create. If I can find the link, I will put it down below. Then we have this beautiful notepad. We have this map of the Indian Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean. We'll see. Like I said, there's some things that I am not going to show. And I think, and we have this, which will go to my granddaughter. Or my grandson, whichever one. So, I'll show y'all one more thing. And that's, whoa. I'm gonna have about to have a box of lunch over here. It's some sequin fabric. I have an idea for it. Y'all know me with my, what I'm doing. So, that is that. So, I will say this in closing. Please be blessed. Be crafty, stay safe, be safe. Most of all, have fun. And sending love, prayers, and thoughts to everyone. And I will say bye for now. See you all. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.